Hey everyone, welcome to Cycling Videos Online, your gateway for indoor cycling adventures. My name is Paul and I'm really excited to see you here today. This rock, the Elephant Rock Cycling Festival, is an annual event that takes place in Colorado every year. And it's been one of the most popular 100-mile century ride events in the state, drawing thousands of people from all over the country to explore beautiful Colorado and its landscapes. The ride tours from Castle Rock, Colorado, down towards Colorado Springs. The ride tours through several iconic locations, including the Black Forest, Roller Coaster Road, Palmer Lake, and along the foothills of the mountain. It's a really spectacular ride. This video is a collection of a 4-part series and is organized into 4 separate stages, touring you through all these different iconic locations. We leave with a group of friends. There's 4 of us, and so we're able to keep each other on our toes, keeping the intensity of the workout up, but also maintaining the camaraderie and the support that a long endurance ride like this demands. Lots of hills in this ride, lots of efforts, really good efforts, good energy. It's a great feel-good bike ride with some nice rest stops along the way. You can knit this over several days of cycling, indoor cycling, or you can try to conquer it all in one shot. It can be done. It's not easy. Stages 1 and 2 explore the beautiful Front Range of Colorado. Stage 2 will get you started in the Black Forest. And Stage 3 picks up in the Black Forest, rides along Roller Coaster Road where the demands are really met, and all of a sudden you're riding into a thunderstorm and there's some pretty wicked, spectacular scenery as the clouds start rolling over the Rocky Mountains. Stage 4 starts us in Palmer Lake. We begin our trek back to Castle Rock. There's some beautiful hills, some great climbs, good friends, good scenery, awesome camaraderie. This is one of those rides that you will not forget, and you're going to have a great time doing it. This feel-good workout will get your heart rate up, will get your legs burning, and get your heart pounding. So we'll see you on the bike.
So now you've got a goal set and you know what the outcome is going to be. How do we get there? Now creating a roadmap to the future. Again, here's a road analogy.